Actually, to be frank and to be upfront, at first, I actually told this to Derek, I didn't like Caroline muna. Kasi ang hirap ng mahalin.
What is it about your character, Caroline Chu, that you didn't like?
Wow, hirap naman pagkagutin. Actually, to be frank and to be upfront, at first, I actually told this to Derek, I didn't like Caroline muna. Kasi ang hirap ng mahalin. Kasi sobrang close niyang person, sobrang taas ng walls niya. But when she went to Binondo and met Bingo, and you know, she slowly started warming up, and it gave me now, I would say, it gave me so many reasons to love Caroline. So it's so hard not to love her now. So hirap masagot ng question niya kasi I love her deeply.
Napansin ng marami ng fans ng netizens yung pag-level up talaga ng acting skills ninyo dito sa Red Party Love. So, paano nabigyan ng maturity ni na Bingo at Rin yung pagiging artista ni na Donnie at Belle?
Maturity of our characters. I think with every project po, I try to see ways on how I can learn from her or my character too. And yun nga, like what he said, it takes a village. Without the help of all our directors here, Direct May, Direct Ian, RBO, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Kasi hindi mabubuo si Caroline yung pagkatao niya kung wala kayo at sa lahat ng cast na nandito. Ayun, maging emotional. Ano ba yun? Wait, wala pa. Hindi pa tayo tapos, guys. Okay, hindi mo na ako. Yeah, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Caroline Chu wouldn't be Caroline Chu without you.
Nakuha ka nila naging proseso, lalo na sobrang mabigat. Kasi yung una, very stoic lang si Caroline, di ba? Ngayon, marami na siyang emotion. And of course, paano ka sinusupport ni Donnie, especially in those scenes na hindi naman siya part of, pero ang bibigat for you.
Wow, yung mga eksena ko nga. Oh my gosh, I remember there was this one week we shot dire-diretso everyday at ako lumuluwa. Pero, of course, with the help of our directors, thank you, Direk. Alam namin pinag-usapan ni Direk for my character development, and I totally agree. Nung una si Caroline talaga very stoic, and now, may post mo na siya. So, yeah, grabe talaga yung pinagdaanan niya. Big help talaga yung our directors and of course my co-actors here. Sana ko humuhugot. Kasi, yun nga, I've been Caroline for 8 months. And she's always gonna be a part of me. Kaya parang kung anong pinagdadaanan niya, talagang pinagdadaanan ko rin naman with her. As in, araw-araw ko yung question sa sarili ko, sino ba pumatay sa nanay ni Caroline? So, yun. So, ang dami talaga. The story itself, talagang while reading the script, talagang nadadala ako. And how does Donnie support me? I think he could answer that. He's always there. Like, he's gonna check up on me whenever I do a big scene. Kasi nakikita niya sa sequence guide, eh, kung gagawin ko pa, kunyari may breakdown scene pa akong gagawin, iiyak ka, may big scene kung gagawin si Caroline. Makikita ko na lang may messages sa akin, magpa-text, oh, kamusta, how's your scene? Or he's gonna call, kunyari magkaiba kami ng units. So, thank you for checking up on me.